This is Oppo Pad Air, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first, launch settings, then enter the Wi-Fi category. In here, tap at the network that you would like to share the password of. Once you've been forwarded to the About This Network page, you'll have the share option, so go for the share icon, and the following pop-up window that you'll get will provide you with the actual password to the Wi-Fi network, so here it is, as well as QR code that you can scan with any other devices, let's say this smartphone, and get the aforementioned device automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.